Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by removing the two visible Phillips screws and using a plastic pry tool to separate the housing. Do this gently to avoid snapping clips. Once opened, inspect the wheel, spring clip, and ribbon cable. You need to identify whether the wheel hub is cracked, the encoder disc is misaligned, or debris is blocking rotation. Make sure to note the wheel's orientation and any broken tabs. This will determine whether you repair, realign, or replace the small ABS hub assembly. Next, address the broken hub or encoder. If the plastic hub is cracked, swap it with a 3D printed or donor part and align the spline teeth so the wheel sits concentric. Once seated, clean the encoder disc and contact surfaces with 90% plus isopropyl and a lint-free swab to remove grime that causes slip. Reseat the ribbon cable and manually rotate the wheel to verify smooth motion and consistent click feedback. Only proceed to close the housing when rotation is perfect and the encoder registers movement. Finish by aligning both halves of the housing and tightening the two screws evenly. Do not over-tighten and strip plastic threads. Once assembled, test the remote on the TV across the full wheel range and press multiple functions to confirm responsiveness. If the wheel still fails or stutters, check the contact spring tension under the wheel and ensure the encoder disc isn't warped. If problems persist, replace the entire wheel assembly from a donor remote. Troubleshooting tip: intermittent input usually means a dirty encoder or loose spring.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.